Speaking cat to cat, focusing friendly.
Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Nice to meet you. This is the student of class 9 in Bodybuilder. I will discuss about my favorite personality, or you can see my idol. My favorite personality is Chun Soon Lee. He is a bodybuilder, a professional bodybuilder in Japan, Tokyo. He was not a bodybuilder before. At the age of like me, he was very slim body. He has very slim body, and his friends always quarreled with him for his body. His friend didn't take care of him. After that, he went to gym, and he go to gym, and by hard working, he owned a body like a Hulk, and he is the first man who is called the Hulk of the earth, and he's the 8-pack abs, is the biceps of 22 inches, is the biceps, triceps, and he has the back, he's the back of panther style, and his thigh cups are so nice. I like his thigh cups. There is no bodybuilder as him, and he is the champion of bodybuilding competition of 2015, 2017, 2018. He is bodybuilding competition, and he is very good. His body structure is too good. One like his body fitness. A man who once look at his body, he will be his fan, because he is very hardworking. Now I will discuss about his life all day long activity. At first he wakes up at very early in the morning. Then he eats 2 eggs to not boiled. The eggs is 2 eggs. Then in a glass. Then he went to gym and smashed the eggs. Then after going to gym, after 2 or 3 hours, and then he has his protein shake. After that, he returned to his home and did do his all of duties. After afternoon, he again went to his went to gym for bodybuilding. He has a very good body. I want to be like him, and for that I go to gym by maintaining his routine. And he's a very humble man, and he's very friendly to everyone. He always everyone can take picture with him. I like him very much, and he would pray for me. For I want to be a bodybuilder like him. So no more today. Hope to see you next. Till then, stay home, stay safe. I have many mistakes in this video, so please pardon me. Hope to see you. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Wear masks, sanitize hand, and stay safe. Bye.